In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Content Planner Calendar tool in Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through the main features step by step so you can confidently plan, schedule, and organize your content for Facebook and Instagram in one place. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct business account, especially if you manage more than one page. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand side menu. There, you'll see an option labeled Planner. Go ahead and click on Planner. This is where the Content Planner Calendar tool lives. When the planner opens, you'll see your content laid out on a calendar. At the top of the calendar, you can switch between month and week views. Click on Month to get a big picture overview of everything you have scheduled across the whole month. This is great for planning campaigns, product launches, or consistent posting schedules. If you need more detail, click on Week. The week view lets you see your content broken down by day and time, which is helpful for fine-tuning posting times and filling small gaps. Next, look for the arrows near the top of the calendar. These arrows let you move forward or backward, 1 week or 1 month at a time, depending on the view you're in. Use them to quickly jump ahead and plan future content, or go back and review what you posted in previous weeks. On the same planner page, you'll notice a button labeled Start New Goal. Click on this to create a new content goal. A goal might be something like increasing engagement, promoting a specific product, or posting a certain number of times per week. Setting clear goals helps you stay focused and measure how effective your content plan is over time. Just below that, you'll see a Create button with a small arrow drop down next to it. Click on this arrow to choose what type of content you want to make directly from the planner. You can create a new post, a story, or a reel. This shortcut keeps everything in one place so you don't have to jump between multiple sections inside Meta Business Suite. As you move your mouse over future dates on the calendar, you'll see a small plus icon appear on specific days or time slots. Hover over a future date and click that plus icon. When you do, a menu will pop up, giving you the option to create content for that exact date. From here, simply choose whether you want to create a post, a reel, or a story, and start building out your content right on the calendar.